Hey guys, Enelio from Bambi Baby, and today we're going to go through a full install process of a Nuna RAVA. When you receive the Nuna RAVA, the harness is fully connected. What I like to do is press the bottom button, loosen the harness as much as possible so there's no slack, pull up the head support to give you more room, loosen the chest clip, release the bottom buckle. You connect the buckle into the little side pockets on the outside. Do that to both. You lift up the backrest and pull out the bottom lap belt. You'll see there's two trap doors underneath. We're gonna do a forward install, so I'm gonna open up the red trap door, and you can see you can slide the seatbelt when you pull it out through the guide, out the other side, and connect it all the way down as if you would seatbelt yourself. Once you have it seatbelted, you pull on the shoulder strap side to get it nice and tight. Once I have it nice and tight, I pull down on the lock door to give it its security so it no longer moves. Then all I have to do is bring up the seatbelt, the seat cushion, bring down the backrest cushion, and I'm ready to install. The only thing left to do is reach all the way back and connect the tether strap down below. Once you have the tether strap connected, you pull on it nice and tight, and this is a perfect install of a Nuna RAVA forward facing. The RAVA does have multiple positions depending on the child's weight and age. We're showing it in the most vertical, installed forward facing. If you have any questions, comments about how to install your RAVA, please let me know.